What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Upset Fishing me, DYang. I just want to talk a little bit before we start fishing here. Answer a couple questions that I've been reading off of my comments, off of people just asking me random stuff. And I'll do my best to try to remember some. Dang, there's people coming. So anyways, one of the most common questions I get asked on my YouTube channel or my Instagram, things like that, are why don't you do more largemouth fishing? Now the answer to that is, it's because it's very hard to find consistent ponds slash lakes. Alright, now if I do have to go out on the lakes, I have to go through like boating. You know, I gotta find boat rentals, I gotta find people who are boaters. You know, it's really tough. It's hard to find those situations, so that's why I don't do largemouth, even though I would love to, because I love largemouth bass. Actually, I just can't because there's no access. One, there's no access. Two, there are ponds, but if you know the ponds that I know, then you know that they're pressure. Largemouth fishing is tough. I'm not gonna lie, put it out there. It's tough, especially when you're on shore. You can go to like shore banging spots, like ponds and maybe side of the lakes, but you only have so much access, and there's only so much largemouth in that section. I've been to times where I recorded the whole day. I caught nothing but one largemouth bass, and it didn't even make up for my time. I was throwing a frog, right? You know frogs. You guys can throw frogs out there for hours and get one explosion. Sure, it might make up for the hours. It is exciting, but then it doesn't necessarily teach you anything. I want to teach you guys stuff. I want to show you guys the simple things that work in the river. That's what I like to show you guys. That's what I truly believe that can help you guys learn how to like target bass, you know, because it's not just smallmouth in these rivers. I have caught giant largemouths out of these rivers that you guys see in my videos. All these rivers are connected somehow, some way to lakes, main lakes like Lake Michigan, to other bigger local lakes slash ponds. They're all connected somehow in some way. If you're perseverance enough, you can come out here, look for these big bass, look for these feeding bass, big mamas, right? You come out here, have a great time, catch a lot of fish. But anyways, I'm out here fishing for smallmouths because I truly believe that I can teach you guys something that is very simple. The simplicity of the idea of like the pockets and the current and the fast river stuff and the feeding frenzy stuff. You know, like things like that are so simple to me, and I want to show you guys how simple it is to you. You can come out here, do what I do, and catch a lot of smallmouth bass. Enjoy the day, have a great time, great action. Smallmouth fishing is just fun, okay? It's gonna be the evening bite. We're gonna do some, like I said, fluke slash topwater slash swim bait. So if you guys haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. I am doing a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers, so one winner is gonna get it. And yeah, so enough talking. See you guys on the water, and let's do some fishing, you guys. All right, let's throw this fluke out real quick. I'm waiting for my brother to come by and get some fish. I brought nothing, just this fluke. I don't know where my fluke is. Oh, there it is. There it goes. I'm on, you guys. That's sweet. On the fluke, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, on the fluke. That is so cool. On the fluke. Nice chunky guy. He's been eating shads too. Woo! Kick water at me, why don't you? Alright, so we catch another one. Right here in the rapids. Oh, I got one! Dude, nice! I got another one! Let's go! It's a nice one too. Gosh, I was still waiting for my brother. Here I am hammering smallies. That is so cool. Look at him go. Jeez, look at him go. Look at him go. That's a nice smallie. That's a very nice smallie. Sweet, man. Nothing but fighting machines. Dude, chill. Hey, nice fat guy. Man, it's so stocky. It's a good sign. Catch and release. So right now, there's a bunch of shads running up to the dam, okay? So I'm using this fluke here to imitate a shad. You know? Just a white fluke, nothing fancy. There he goes. I'm on, you guys. That's a nice smallie. That's a nice one. That's the guy. Oh, it's so cool. Simplicity wins, man. Look at this. Look at this nice guy. Dude, they're such fighters. Jeez. Oh no, I don't think it's the same one. It's definitely smaller than the one I saw jump up. The hook all messed up, man. There he goes. Nice fatty. Catch and release. There he goes. I'm on. I'm on, you guys. Pretty nice one too. Look at him go. Look at him go. Nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There he goes. Nice smallmouth. Oh yeah, baby. Nice chunky guys. Where are the big ones at? Off the Fluke, you guys. Nice fatty smallies. Whoa, I'm on. What the? Oh, that's crazy. Jeez. Woo. Yeah, I gotta retie, alright. Look how fat they are. Nothing big, but man, they fight. Alright, you guys. Sorry for the mess, but I think I'm gonna fish here for a little bit. I'm waiting for my brother, actually. He's on his way from work. He gets an hour later than I do, so I'm just gonna like cruise around here for a little bit, see if I can catch some fish. It's been a while since I've been here, so let's give it a shot, you know. Whoa. Oh god, that's a big smallie. Oh my gosh, that was a big smallie, you guys. I didn't even pay attention. That's crazy. I'm still looking up like somewhere else. That was a big smallie. He inhaled it too. He spat it back out. Whoa! There he goes. I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, that was so cool. That was way cool. That's a nice smallie. That's a nice smallie. Dude, that's crazy. That's a very nice smallie. That's a nice male. Oh, oh, don't jump, don't jump. There he is, guys. I'm tired out. Dude, that's cool. Nice. Heck yeah. Oh, they got some shark teeth. I did not think I was catching a nice smallie over here. Beautiful fish. Let's get a good picture. Let's get a release. Catch and release, you guys. Beautiful smallie, ready to go. There he goes. Whoa! What the heck? Am I recording? It came out of nowhere. Jeez. Dude, that's a nice one too. Dude, he's like a little round, yo. Catch and release. Beautiful fish. Let's catch this big one. Whoa! Got him! Got him! That's a big fish. Whoa, whoa. It's a largemouth. Let's go. Let's go. Finally. I was just talking about how I want to catch a largemouth. Yes, I knew it. I freaking knew it. That is a nice largemouth, you guys. Let's go. Yes, my theory was true. Dude, it's a nice 2-pounder. Dude, that's a big old head. Nice. Just get a picture of him, let him go. Alright, y'all, catch and release. Battery's dying. That is awesome. Woo, so feisty. Alright, see if we catch another one. Switch out the battery real quick. Top water is happening like crazy right now. and I'm not catching anything. Whoa, whoa, I got him. Whoa. That was cool. Dude, right in front of me. Got a hook in your forehead, hook in your mouth. Chill out, buddy. Look how sharp their teeth are, man. Little guy. Whoa, that's a nice one. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh, that's a nice smallmouth. Oh my god, that's a nice one. Whoa, that's a big one. Oh my gosh, that's a big one. Whoa, these 3 pounds. 3 pounds for sure, dude. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that is a big one. Oh, dude, I knew it. Whoa, I knew it, man. I knew it. Chill, chill, chill. Chill, chill. Where you go? Where you go? That is a big bass, you guys. Easily 3-4 pounder right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I'm gonna land him. Dude, he inhaled it. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, easy 3-4 pounder. Golly, thing's huge. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, that's huge. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. He's huge. Way bigger than ones I'm catching in Milwaukee River. Gotta be very careful. Dude inhaled my lure. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. Exactly what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. 2 hands. Oh my gosh. That is easily a 3.5-4 pounder, dude. Dude, things measure like 20 inches. Look, as long as my backpack. The backpack's pretty big. What a beautiful beast. Check that out, you guys. Beautiful fish. Golly, that thing's huge. There he goes, you guys. Beautiful smallie. There she goes. Bam. Wow. I just want to say wow, you guys. Like, that was so cool. Woo! Yeah, that was real cool. That's what I mean by fishing simple. Catch a lot of fish, have a great time, you guys. That's all that matters. Nothing else does, man. That was awesome. I'm pooped, ready to go. I'll see you guys next time. If you guys haven't yet hit the subscribe button, it'd be awesome. So, I'm gonna head out and see you guys on the water.